Ready to crown your Shopify store with your brand signature logo? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and perfectly position your logo to create a professional and memorable storefront. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your logo is the visual cornerstone of your brand identity. It's often the first thing customers notice and remember. Let me guide you through the simple process of making it shine on your store. First, prepare your logo file before uploading. Make sure it's a high-quality PNG file with a transparent background, ideally in multiple sizes. A square aspect ratio usually works best for most themes. Navigate to your theme customizer by going to Online Store, Themes, and clicking Customize. Look for the header section in the sidebar. This is where you'll typically find the logo settings. Click on the logo placeholder or the Change Logo option. Upload your prepared file from your computer. Most modern themes will automatically adjust the logo to fit the designated space while maintaining image quality. Adjust the logo size and position using the theme settings. You can usually control the maximum width while the height adjusts proportionally. Make sure it looks balanced alongside your navigation menu and other header elements. A crucial pro tip: test your logo on both desktop and mobile views. Many themes have separate logo settings for mobile devices, where a simplified or smaller version might work better. Also, ensure your logo looks good in both the regular header and the sticky header if your theme supports it. And just like that, your brand now has its rightful crown. A well-placed logo builds immediate recognition and trust with your customers. If this guide helped you establish your visual brand identity, please give it a like. How does having your logo displayed make your store feel more professional? Share your experience in the comments below. To continue organizing your store's navigation, subscribe for our next video on how to create a Shopify navigation menu. Thanks for watching.